amazina yanjye nitwa Niba, abandi hano kubagezaho umuvugo wo mu Kinyarwanda witwa turabashimiye abarezi bacu. Umuvugo: turabashimiye abarezi bacu, barezi bacu, barezi dukunda, muri mu mwanya w'ababyeyi bacu kuko mudufasha kugera ku ntego zacu. Turavuga abarimu ba SALOMON Academy badufasha mu byo dukora byose kugira ngo tugere ku ntego zacu. Imana ibahe umugisha bose. Twese nk'abanyeshuri tugomba gukunda ishuri, turikundisha n'abatazi ishuri kugira ngo basubire mu ishuri. Mwarakoze barezi bacu, mwaduhaye umuco mwiza, tuzahora tubasabira ibyiza bituruka ku Mana nyiri ibyiza. Yari umusizi usiga bagasigara basiganuza ingabe Takia.
Thank you, Takia. And let's welcome the next chapter of this Bright Future show, which is called
The news chapter.
And we have two news presenters. The first one is called Neza. He is going to tell you some news in Kiswahili.
Asante sana. Leo tarehe ya 12 Julai 2024 ni siku ya furaha nyingi kwenye walimu, wanafunzi, wazazi na uongozi wa SALOMON Academy. Wako pamoja kwenye sherehe ya kuhitimisha mwaka huyu wa 2023-2024. Hii ni siku ya furaha katika sisi sote. Asante sana.
Asante sana, Happy. Let's welcome the next news presenter, who is called Russia. She is going to tell us some news in French.
Merci Samantha. Bonjour mesdames et messieurs. Aujourd'hui c'est un bon jour, mais je vais vous parler à propos de notre corps. On sait qu'il va dépendre de la population, parce qu'il y a des enfants qui vont aller dans les visites, qu'on sait tous. On étudie beaucoup de choses, on voit beaucoup de choses qu'on n'a jamais fait. Et aussi, ce jour de graduation, il y a beaucoup d'élèves de la 6e année et de la 3e d'Haïtienne. Notre école est la bonne école parce qu'il nous montre des choses qu'on n'a jamais vues. Merci.
Merci, Mademoiselle Asha. Now we reach in the next chapter of the Bright Future TV show, which is called The Artist chapter is gonna be held by Artist Ceci and Artist Jesse. Let's welcome them.
Thanks. As they say, my name is Neza Jesse, but I'm not alone, I'm with
Stacy.
Our song is called Diamond Heart. Let's start. Hello, secret, I know you be the death of me. Feels like I'm morning of ecstasy. Feels like I'm trying on an endless sea.
Hello, old friend. There's only more than I know. So I'm doing everything I can to make sure I never love again.
Ooh, I wish that they don't know where our broken lovers go. I wish my heart was made of stone.
Oh yeah, if I had a bulletproof, I will never black and blue. If it was solid like a jewel, if I had a diamond heart, oh, I give you all my love. If it was unbreakable, if I had a diamond heart, oh, you couldn't shoot me out if it was unbreakable.
So I won't straight to the bullseye, been like a true ray, grew under foolish, never mind the bruises, into the fire, break through the wires, give her a gun.
So I walk straight to the clock, I never mind the pond, I am in the shower, the food in the pot, into the poisonous crying, the ocean, give her a gun. If I had a diamond heart, oh, I'll give you all my love if it was unbreakable. If I had a diamond heart, oh, you could shoot me out
If it was unbreakable.
Wow, what a beautiful song. This is the best song I have ever had in my life.
Oh, what about the soft voices they have?
This is what we call in Kinyarwanda ihogoza.
Oh my gosh. Thanks, artists. And now this is the end of our show. Let us will that we'll meet next time, but we are not together. We will not be together the next time, but we will be with our fellow students. Thank you.